Alright guys, so we've got something a little bit different here. This isn't actually a watch, this is a strap. So I was sent this from Artem. I don't have to give it back, but as always, that's not going to change the way I do these reviews. I'm always going to keep it 100% honest no matter what. So now that's out of the way, as you can see we've got the Artem brand in there with a nice kind of metallic blue. So let's open it up and see what we got. Just pop that to one side. So we've got the Artem logo there, take that out, and from what I could ascertain as to what this actually says, according to Google Translate, it translates to the art is to conceal art. Whatever that means, it sounds quite good, but anyway, that's what it is. And then we've got just the strap and some simple packaging other than that. So let's open it up. Pop that to one side. So as you can see, this is a sailcloth strap, and it is a really nice one. So they did actually send me two of these. They sent me this one with the grey stitching, but they also sent me this black one, which I've been wearing on my Exciton, and I think it does go really well, and it is really, really comfortable. I'm really liking it. So I'll show you this one on another watch in a second, but let's talk about the strap first. So if we get a zoom in, as you can see, we've got really nice stitching on this, really nicely done. And it is slightly recessed as well, which is always good, so you're not going to catch it on anything. Shouldn't get pulled. Holes are really nice and clean cut. And then this backing is really, really soft and comfortable with the Artem branding on. And then we've also got a quick release, which is always nice to have. And as you can see, if I can get it to focus, the strap is actually a bit thicker at the top and then goes thinner toward the end. I'll show you the other bit now. So again, stitching really nicely done. Got the one floating keeper, one fixed one. Again, quick release. And then this buckle, this is really nice. As you can see, we've got a few different finishes on there. So we've got a nice polish around the edge, and then brushed on the top. Really nice transition between the two. It's just really cleanly done, really nice. And then we've also got the Artem logo again. So I should probably mention now, before we try this on another watch, the price of this. So these aren't cheap. These are advertised as premium straps. So they come with a premium price tag as well. So they cost $85, which works out to about £61. So like I say, not cheap, definitely aimed at the premium market. I've not got any straps at this kind of price range, or even close, to be honest. But you can definitely feel the difference and see the difference as well. Whether it's worth that price, that's up to you. Would I pay it? If I'm being completely honest, I probably wouldn't. But that's probably because the watches I have, some of them are worth around the same kind of price as this strap itself. So it just wouldn't make sense. If you've got more high-end watches and you want to get a strap that suits that watch, then perhaps these are good. And if you do, you definitely won't be disappointed, because the quality is definitely there. But now that's out of the way, let's show you what it's like on a watch. So the watch I'm going to be putting it on is my Heimdallr Kanagawa Great Wave. If you haven't seen the review for this, it's one I did a while back. I'll leave a link to it up here. But let's try it on a strap. On the strap, sorry. So let's get this right way around. And see if I can do this through the viewfinder. This might be a little bit awkward. probably haven't picked the best watch to do this on without having drilled lugs. Oh, okay, that is in. Like I say, I'm trying to do it through the viewfinder on my camera, so it's probably not ideal, but it was simple enough. And there we go, that's what it looks like on the watch. I think that goes pretty well. So I'll quickly show you what that's like on wrist now. Just pop that down there for a second now. And I'll take the Exciton one off. I'll quickly show you that. So as you can see, it's conforming to wrist really nicely. Really nice bend in that already. And I haven't been wearing it all that long either. I think I've been wearing it about 3 days now. I'll quickly show you what they're both like now. Get a bit of a zoom in on both of them while they're on the watches. So there you go. I think they look pretty good. So again, links down in the description if you do want to check them out. So now let's see what this one's like on. So this is what it looks like on my 7-inch wrist. On that Kanagawa Great Wave. I think it does look really good. I think the grey stitching kind of goes quite well with the bezel on this. And again, really nice clasp, really nicely done. And again, as you can see, I've not had to shape this or anything at all. Just put it straight on out of the box, and it conforms really nicely to wrist. And it's actually pretty comfortable straight away. So again, if you're willing to pay a more premium price for a premium product, then by all means, I'll leave the links down in the description. Check it out and see what you think. They've got a few different options, quite a few different stitch colours, a few other bits and pieces they sell. Again, link down in the description. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.